Holy cow. Whoa. Whoa, 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 you guys. I got some mail. And gotta tell you something. If you're in for geocaching mail, this isn't it. It's not the time. Not this one. No, sirree, it's not. This one, it's all about Disneyland. It's all about D23. You ever hear of it? D23. It's the official Disneyland fan club. Yep, and that's what I'm part of. The official Disneyland fan club. And I just got myself a package from Disneyland. Well, the fan club, that is. And I want to show you what it is. And if you're a Disney fan, you might want to watch this. It's pretty cool. If you're not, you might want to go on to some other geocaching video, because this is all about Disney. Alright, so got my cool little school scissors. Let's get into this and see what's going on. Don't you hate when your thumb gets stuck in the little kid scissors? Being a teacher happens to me all the time because I'm using their scissors to open things up. But that's alright. There's got to be a better way to this. Let's try this. Ooh, something in here looks pretty gosh darn awesome. Oh yeah, it does. You want to see this? Check this out. Oh, that is cool. See? D23, the official Disneyland fan club. Let's see what's in here. The official scroll. That's what's in here. The official scroll. I'm not telling you what this is. If you want to find out what this is, you're going to have to join the Disneyland D23 fan club. Walt Disney's Mickey Mouse. We got some Steamboat Willie stuff. We got some comic strips. We got some Sorcerer Apprentice stuff. It's chock full of all kinds of Disneyland goodness here. Check that out. Ooh. Now this has got to be, this is, oh. We got some cool old school Walt Disney himself. Yeah, old school Walt Disney. We've got his official, looks like almost an official badge. That's kind of cool. We got, Oswald. Got some Oswald stuff right there with Mickey Mouse. We got my wife sees me throwing my stuff around, or this stuff around. She's gonna kill me. Oh well. Check that out. An old drawing. Just so you know, these aren't originals. They're reproductions. Oh, a cool little Disneyland sticker. Aircraft worker. I don't know what this is. Looks like it's a sticker too. We got some Christmassy goodies. Mickey Mouse. His book. What's in it? Oh, there he is. It all started with this guy at Disneyland. Oh, now this is my favorite right here. Sorcerer's Apprentice. What the heck is this? Oh, it was a record. But not anymore. It's just a cover. That works for me. Cool button. 1928, 1978. Happy birthday. Let's see what other kind of cool. Christmas Carol. Some kind of cool Mickey Mouse something or other. And let's see, what do we got? Hey, everybody needs the Disney Channel napkin. Excuse me. I didn't do that. And this is kind of cool. It's kind of like you can see it through this thing. Alright, so those are some fun things that was in this box. Alright, along with that little box comes my official D23 gold member card. Heck yeah. My official welcome to D23 letter. A cool D23 official document, official Disneyland fan club, gold membership plaque. I'm going to hang this on my wall. That's right. That's cool. And every quarter, so you get like 4 of these cool magazines. This one is, oh, there it is. Deals with cocoa. Ooh, this is kind of, it's texture-y. Has some texture on it. And inside is just a bunch of cool Disneyland stuff. Just stuff about Coco, stuff about Star Wars, more stuff about Star Wars, Toy Story, Stanley, there he is. I don't know if you can see him, man. Stan the man, Stan Lee. We got some Once Upon a Time stuff. We got more Star Warsy stuff. We got some Avengers stuff right here. Just non-suited characters sitting on the ground. Bunch of other Hollywood things. John Lasseter with Cars. So there you go. So if you ever become more Star Wars, let's see if I want to know if there's, say, Snow White and the Seven Dwarves. I want to know if there's more Avengers stuff in here, because you know Infinity Wars is coming out, right? I just wanted to share my cool Disney stuff with you guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe right up there. Yes, you can. Please do so. Help my channel. Give me a thumbs up, especially if you're a Disney fan. And with that, hey, oh, by the way, yeah, if you're a D23 member, whoa, let me know. I'm just curious how many D23 members are out there. I will catch you guys later. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Oh, now I can see ya. See ya.